Welcome to Infoveave. Here is a quick video on how to set up a date filter on Infoboard. Infoboard date filters let you set a custom date range to view data. The options fixed and no dates help in scenarios where you may need to restrict the date range. To start, go to Setup panel and click Configuration to see the date range options, default fixed dates and no dates. Select Default to view data for any time period, fixed date to limit the data to a specific period, and no date when date has no relevance to the data. Under the default option, select from years, quarters, months, weeks, or days. To fix the granularity, the users can filter the data to. The date picker will be disabled for levels that are not enabled. Fixed date allows you to set a specific time period, ensuring your Infoboard is always fixed to it. The date picker will be disabled for dates outside the period that is enabled. No date removes the date filter option from the Infoboard, allowing data to display without any date restrictions. Thank you for watching.